Have you ever wondered how AdaBoost works in machine learning? Well, prepare to be enlightened because today we are going to dive into this fascinating algorithm, peeling back the layers to reveal its inner workings. Imagine you're in a competition and your team is made up of diverse individuals, each with their own unique strengths. Some are good at solving puzzles, others excel in physical challenges, and a few are brilliant strategists. Now picture that instead of each member tackling a task independently, you all work together, combining your strengths to overcome each challenge. That, in essence, is how AdaBoost, short for adaptive boosting, operates in machine learning. AdaBoost is an ensemble learning method, which means it combines the efforts of multiple weak learning algorithms to create a strong, more accurate model. These weak learners are simple models that perform slightly better than random guessing. Imagine you're trying to identify a particular animal in a vast wilderness. One weak learner might be good at recognizing the animal's footprints, another might excel at tracking its scent, while a third might be good at spotting its fur among the foliage. Individually, they might not find the animal, but together, they have a much higher chance of doing so. That's what AdaBoost does. It takes these weak learners and assigns them weights based on their accuracy. Those that perform well get a higher weight, while those that don't perform as well get a lower weight. This way, AdaBoost gives more importance to the learners that are more accurate. But AdaBoost doesn't stop there. After each round of learning, it re-evaluates the weights, not only of the learners, but also of the data points. Those that were incorrectly predicted get a higher weight, making them more important in the next round of learning. This process continues until you have a model that can accurately predict the outcome. Now let's sum up the key points about AdaBoost. AdaBoost is an ensemble learning method, which means it combines the efforts of multiple weak learning algorithms to create a stronger, more accurate model. It assigns weights to these weak learners based on their accuracy and re-evaluates these weights after each round of learning. It also assigns weights to the data points, with incorrectly predicted points getting a higher weight in the next round. By doing so, AdaBoost ensures that the final model is not just the product of the most accurate learners, but also takes into account the ones that didn't perform as well. This makes it robust and less prone to overfitting, which is when a model performs well on the training data but poorly on new unseen data. So the next time you're working on a machine learning project and need a robust, accurate model, remember AdaBoost. It might just be the secret sauce you need to boost your model's performance.